Imagine you are preparing for Thanksgiving. This year, you're expected to bring several dishes to your family's house for dinner. Now, if you're like most people, you'll find a recipe online for each of the dishes you want to bring. You'll write down the ingredients that you don't already have on a piece of paper or on your phone. Then you'll go to the store and try and find those items to purchase. However, this can be time consuming. It can sometimes be hard to copy text from a recipe to your phone. It also might be difficult to organize that list so that while you're in the store, you can simply walk down your list and pick up each of the items in order and know exactly where they are in the store. This is where my shopping list comes in. So imagine that same scenario, but now I'll use the shopping list app to show you how easy this process can be. So let's say this year you are supposed to bring the turkey. So you simply write it into the search bar, hit get. You'll be presented with different recipes that you may make. Select one of them, and then you wait as the app parses all the ingredients from that recipe for you. You can then deselect the things that you already have in your house. You might already have butter and onions or some other things. Press add. There they are on your list. And you can add any number of recipes to this list. So maybe you're also supposed to bring the green bean casserole. Enter it. Select the recipe. Wait for it to parse the ingredients for you. Deselect the things that you already have in your house and add it to your list. Now, since you're at the store anyways, you may want to pick up some non-food items or any item. You can do that by hitting the plus button, entering the item that you need to pick up. You can enter an amount and units if you would like. Enter what category it is and hit add. And there it is. Now you can see that each of the ingredients is organized by what aisle you'll find it on, as well as how much you need. So as you walk down each of these aisles, you can select the item as you pick it up, or you can delete each item from your list as you go. My hope is that this app will make it much more efficient to make shopping lists, as well as much more efficient to use shopping lists to be able to get in and out of stores as quickly as possible. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching my demo.